Alright folks, Gary here, and I'm going to bring to you a quick intermediate project in between planes and the four-wheeler. I'm going to put together real quick a motor-powered bicycle. And for all of you, this may be something that might be an up-and-coming thing. This is a 80cc motorized kit that I've gotten from a website called weeklyitems.com. The kit was $119. With shipping, it's $138 delivered to your door. It comes with everything necessary, supposedly, to do this conversion. Now, this should make this bike run 35 to 40 miles an hour, 150 miles to the gallon, and but it'll still operate as a regular bicycle with all the gears. So let's take a quick tour here of the, here's the bicycle that I'm going to use. It's a Schwinn, bought this used the other day for $75. It's a Schwinn Jaguar. Let me get back here where you can see a little better. There it is, a Schwinn Jaguar, 7 speeds, single sprocket up front, Shimano derailleur. Nice bicycle. Has a Cloud9 seat. Gel seat here that the guy put on it. It's like $30. It's neither here nor there. But anyway, let's take a look real quick at the kit. Here's the muffler, chain guard, and various chain and various parts for the kit. Okay. And then we have we've got the carburetor and the hand controls here. They are, just like a motorcycle. And then we have the motor, 80cc motor. This kit is from a company called Raw. Okay, there it is, 80 cc's, actually kind of a nice looking outfit, kind of a nice looking kit. Last night I tried to fit the motor to the bike, and I've got two issues. One is that this front bar here is larger than 1.25 inches. This is 1.25 inch bar. That's standard for most bicycle tubes. And being that this is swept kind of like this, I'm going to have to punch a hole through it and use an adapter to mount the motor. So that's what we're going to be doing. And stick with me and we'll put this sucker together. Okay, according to these kits don't come with any directions, so I found some directions online, and I found some ones that people built. And the first assembly that you put together is the sprocket on the wheel, and the sprocket is much larger than what I ever anticipated when I ordered the kit. But check it out. Here's the sprocket assembly on the wheel. Now there's two, there it is on the inside. There's two pieces of, they actually cut a tire and they made two washers. There's an inside one and an outside one. And that squeezes the spokes, and then there's 12 bolts that go through it with lock washers and flat washers. The important thing is to make sure that the sprocket gets centered on the wheel, and make sure that this distance is the same all the way around, and then to put the wheel on something and be able to spin it. I use these jack stands, and I mounted the wheel up here, and then I spun it at a really high speed to make sure that the sprocket was balanced. Okay. Now we'll go to assembling the wheel back on the bike, and then we'll continue with the motor mount. Anytime that you take the back wheel off or put it back on, it's always easier to tip the bike upside down. Okay, so we have to assemble the wheel here. Is the next step. Okay, and then as soon as we get that wheel back on, we'll be right back. Well, hey, I've got the motor mounted into the frame now, and so far the assembly wasn't really too difficult. The only really bitch and gripe that I got about the whole thing is that that sprocket back there wasn't very true, and getting that thing lined up to where when you spin the tire that it tracks straight was kind of a real pain in the ass. Anyway, I had to drill out the bike frame because this bar here is too large for the clamp to go around it. You can see that that it's got kind of a concave surface right here for an 1¼ inch bar will fit in there, but this distance was too large here, and so I had to make my own adapter. I drilled this bar, run a bolt up through here, and then put just like a stop plate. Anyway, it worked out okay, and it's pretty sturdy. Getting ready to mount the I'm getting ready to mount the throttle assembly now, and hopefully that shouldn't prove to be too difficult, and I'll be back with you. We'll check that out. See you in a few. Yeah, I thought I'd just turn the light on for a minute. Maybe that'd be easier to see. It was kind of dark in here before. Anyway, there she is. Yeah, well, I'll be back when I get the chain broke. Okay folks, here it is, the Schwinn Jaguar motorized bicycle conversion, and it's complete. I think it looks pretty cool. If anybody's interested in these, get a hold of me. Check the web. This is an 80cc conversion. Check the web. These things go for low end about $650 to $800. I'm going to produce them on this frame and also a Huffy frame, which is a beach cruiser style with a single speed, and I sell them for $100 to $125 less than any other place on the web. I'll ship them within the continental United States, and I think this one's neat. We've incorporated all the basic features that were in the bicycle here. It had a twist shifter, which is still on there. You can see with the motorcycle hand grip, kill switch, front brake, and we've got the rear brake clutch assembly on this side, and all around I think it turned out to be kind of a neat, a very neat kit. So check that out. Thanks to my friend Gary Judy for painting the gas tank and the chain guard. That was his idea. I think it set it off, making it the same color as the bike. And presto, conversion. Next video will be a riding video.